Hello students, this is Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This is the video for students of Standard 3 subject Grammar. Our today's thought: education is one thing no one can take away from you. So this thought has a very positive impact on our lives. What does this thought mean? Education is something which no one can steal. If you are educated, you can fight against all the odds in your life. You can achieve anything and everything. But education is must. If you are educated, you will never fail in your life. Instructions that all of us should follow every day: clean up, use dustbin, waste bin to throw the waste, do not throw it anywhere. While you are playing with your friends, take turns, give chances to them. Be careful with the tools while you are using these sharp tools like axe or scissors. You have to be careful that you don't cut your finger. While your elders are speaking something, do not interrupt. Do not speak in between. Follow the traffic rules. Never cross the road while the signal is red. Stand in a queue when you are at school or at a grocery shop or standing where there are a lot of people. Stand in a line. Never try to cross the line unless it is your turn. So in today's video, we will continue with the grammar bridge course assignment. In the previous video, we had solved question 1. So today it is continued. Explanation of bridge course with answers. Today we will discuss about the answers of question number 2 in your bridge course assignment, which you had solved in 2nd standard in your holidays. So let us begin. So bridge course, and what is our today's topic? Pronouns. 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 Give the heading on a new page, write the date and day, give the heading bridge course, give the subheading pronouns. Let us see what do we have to learn today. So, what are pronouns? Do you know the meaning of this word pronouns? Pronouns are those words that are used in the place of nouns. Instead of nouns, we can use pronouns for denoting someone's name, place, right? See, you can talk about yourself using this pronoun I. I have completed my work. I have gone out. I had played yesterday. Which are the other pronouns that we shall learn? I, she, he, it, that, they, who, each, many, them. All these are examples of pronouns. These are all called pronouns. They are used instead of someone's name or instead of a thing's name. When more than one person is there, you can say them, they, all that words. Look at this example. My name is Daniel. So Daniel is a noun because Daniel is the name of this man. When you talk about your name, suppose John, Jenny, all these are proper nouns. They are the names of the people. So here Daniel is the name of this man, that is a noun. But my is pronoun. Second sentence, I have a car. So I is also pronoun. my and I, both these are pronouns. Whereas Daniel is the name of a person. Daniel cannot be the name of any person. Daniel is a noun. So, my and I both are pronouns. See the next example. John is a good singer. In this sentence, John is a noun. He earns well. So, in this sentence, he is a pronoun. So, what is the difference? See, John is the name of a man. This man is John. But if I want to talk about John, instead of using John, what could I write? Instead of John, I can write he. So, he means John. I am talking about John. But instead of using his name, I am using he. Because John is a boy, so we write he. If it was a girl's name, we would write she. So he, she, it, all these are pronouns. I could also write over here John earns well, but instead of John I have written he. So that is a pronoun. See the next example. Birds are sitting on a tree. They are blue in color. So instead of birds, what have I written? They. Birds are many, more than one. See, two are there. So two birds means it is plural. So I have written they. So they is a pronoun. Instead of writing birds, I have written they. Instead of writing birds, I have written they. So they means what? Birds. They denotes birds. Birds are sitting on a tree. They are blue in color. I could write this word two times. Birds are blue in color. That is also correct. But instead of writing birds, I have written they. So that is a pronoun. This word they is a pronoun. See the next page. Now here is the list of pronouns. I want all of you to note it down and you will write this 2 times in homework. Whichever page I tell you, you have to write it 2 times in homework. Right? So which are the pronouns? Let us read. I, me, he, she, herself, you, it, that, they, each, few, many, who, whoever, whose, someone, everybody. All these are examples of pronouns. I hope you have written. If you have not written, you can take screenshot. Again, when we'll revise, I'll show this page. So, some pronouns are used only for masculine naming words. What are they used for? Masculine naming words. So, what is the meaning of this word masculine naming words? Masculine means man, boy. So some words are there, some nouns are there which are only used for man, means male gender, for boys, and not for girls. Which are that pronouns? He, his, himself, him. All these are pronouns that are used only for men, only for boys, not for girls, only for man. He, his, himself, him. These are only used for boys. Then see the next page. Now, some pronouns are used for only feminine naming words. So, what is the meaning of this feminine naming words? Feminine means female, girls. Now some pronouns are there which are just used for girls, not for boys. Which are that pronouns? Just used for girls and not for boys. She, her, herself. She, her, herself. They are just used for girls, not for boys. These are called feminine pronouns. What are they called? Feminine, because they are just used for girls, not for boys. She, her, herself. Just used for female gender. Now see, some pronouns can be used for any of the genders. Some pronouns are used for any gender, like commonly. They are common. It's not like you can use only for boys or girls, but you can use them commonly. Which are they? I, you, me, someone, whose, they, everybody, them, those, us, whoever. So, these are the pronouns which are used for any genders. I can be used for both boy and girl, you, me, whose, someone. So, they are not used for anyone in specific. See, when there are more than two, everybody, somebody, they, them, all these are used for plural when more than one person is there. Some pronouns are only used for singular naming words. So what are the singular naming words? Singular naming words means only one person, one boy or one girl is there. Then we can use these pronouns. Which are they? It, him, he, her, she, you, his. They are used for singular naming words, means when only one boy is there or one girl or only one thing is there, only for one. So when you are talking about one person, place or thing, you can use all these pronouns which are given. Which are they? He, she, it, you, him, her, his. These are all pronouns which are used for singular, which are used for one person, one place or one thing. See the next. Some pronouns can only be used to refer plural naming words. Now, first we had seen over here singular naming words, right? Now, what is given? Plural naming words. Plural naming words means more than one. Plural means more than one, like 2, 3, 4, any number which is more than one is plural. So, which are the nouns which are used for plural naming words? Let us see. They, those, we, these, them. These are the nouns which are used for plural naming words. Plural means more than one. See here, 4 people are there, you can see 4 friends. So you can say they are friends, those are friends, we are all friends, look at them, these are 4 friends. So in short, plural is more than one, so you can see 4. So all these words which are given in yellow color, these are pronouns. And these pronouns are used when we are talking about plural naming words. Only while talking about plural naming words. Now let us solve some of the examples. These examples you have to write one time in rough book, that is also your homework. So write this one time. Example number 1. Dash is playing in the park. Dash is playing in the park. Now you have to look at this image and you have to write the answer. But you have to write pronoun, means he, she, it, they. You can write any pronoun. So we are talking about a boy. See, the boy is playing. So for boy, which pronoun do we use? Yes, you got your answer. If your answer is he, then it is absolutely correct. He is playing in the park. He is playing in the park. He is the pronoun which is used for boy. Because we are talking about a boy, so we write he. Write example number 2 in your notebook. Dash is raining. Dash is raining. See, it is raining. It is a very good atmosphere, you can see. And now the rainy season has already arrived, right? It is June month. So it looks very beautiful when it rains. Dash is raining. Which pronoun shall we use? He, she, it, they. Which one? We will use pronoun it. I-T. It. It is raining. Because while talking about rain, we use it. Talking about something, we use it. It is raining. Next, write down number 3. Dash is dancing. Dash is dancing. Whom are we talking about? We are talking about a girl, right? So for girl, which pronoun shall we use? She. Did you guess the correct answer? I hope you have guessed the correct answer. She is dancing. Why did we use she? As I already told you, we are talking about a girl. While talking about a girl, we use she. She is dancing. I hope you have written the example. Please write the examples along with me. Then number 4. Dash are playing cricket. Dash are playing cricket. So who's playing cricket? Is any one boy playing cricket? No, more than one. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 children are playing cricket. So more than one, right? For more than one, we have the pronouns like they, them. Which one do we use? We can use we. We are playing cricket. Or we can also write they. They are playing cricket. Let us write they. T-H-E-Y. They. They are playing cricket. So here they means all these children. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these children means more than one. It is plural noun. So they are playing cricket. I hope you have written number 4. Now, number 5. Dash are studying. See, this is a class, like you study in your class. You have a green board, right? Teacher is teaching. So many students are sitting in the class, can't you see? So many. So again we are talking about all these students who are studying. So it is plural because so many students are sitting in a class, more than one. So while we are talking about more than one, we use plural nouns like we, they, them. So we use they over here. T-H-E-Y. They. They are studying. Because students are so many, so we use plural noun they. They are studying. They are studying. More than one, so they. See the next example. John is a very polite boy, so everyone likes her. Is it correct? No, it is wrong. See the cross mark over here, it is wrong. Why is it wrong? Can you tell me? Because her is used for girls, for females, not for boys. Isn't it? See, John is the name of a boy. So we cannot use her for a boy, can we? No, we cannot. Her is used only for girls. So this is wrong. We cannot use her for boys. See the next example. John is a very polite boy, so everyone likes him. Now this one is correct. How is it correct? Because we can use him for a boy. John is a boy, so we use him. But here, her was wrong because we cannot use her with boy. John is a boy, so we use him. Right? I hope you understood and you written the example. Next, Olivia is a very pretty girl. Her dress is very beautiful. So here it is right. See, it is tick marked because her is the pronoun which is used for Olivia. Olivia is a girl, right? And we use her for girls. We use him or his for boys. We use her and she for girls. So here it is correct. It is not wrong. So the tick mark is given. Her dress is very beautiful. We cannot say his dress. His means boys. Her means girls. So this one is absolutely correct. Next. It is a nice party. We are having a lot of fun. Right? It is a nice party. We are having a lot of fun. So here, what is the pronoun? Can you tell me what is the pronoun over here? See, one pronoun is it. The second one is we. It is a nice party. We are having a lot of fun. So for party we have used it, and for so many children which are over here we have used we. So both these are pronouns. It and we both are pronouns. Next, we are going to the party. What is the pronoun? We. See, here it is written we and the arrow is given pronoun. Now what is the meaning of we? We means more than one. You see how many children are going for the party? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when 4 children are going for the party, you cannot say he or she. You only use we or they. So here we have used we. Remember, this pronoun is used when you are talking about plural, talking about more than one person. Then we use we. Next, usage of pronouns. Now let us read this paragraph and see how pronouns are used in our everyday life. Please read this paragraph with me. So let us read the paragraph. My teacher asked me and my friends to join dance classes. We all agreed, but one of my friends refused. Her name was Tia. She had her own reasons. She said that she did not like dancing but singing. I told her that my brother also liked singing. We all joined the dancing classes, but Tia didn't. Instead, she joined singing classes happily. So in this paragraph, you see so many pronouns have been used. My, me, my, we, my, her, she, I, my, we, and she. All these are pronouns. They are used instead of the people's names. Fill in the blanks with me, us, her, him, they, them, and me. Let us fill in the blanks. Select the correct answer from the given options. Let us see the first one. She is a good teacher. All the students listen to dash. Her. Here the correct answer is her. because we are talking about a girl, she. So the correct answer is her. Mother has told Dash to cut my hair, but I do not want to. Mother has told Dash. See, here it is written my hair. So what is the answer? Mother has told me. They asked the coach to tell Dash how to improve their game. They asked the coach to tell them. Because they is given, so we use them. I am going to the market with Dash, said Bobby. I am going to the market with her, because she is going with a girl. So I am going to the market with her. Number 5. I am not well. Give Dash some medicine. Give Dash some medicine. So give me some medicine. Because I is given, so we use me. Just like here it was given I, so we used me. So with I we use me. So this is question number 2 of bridge course assignment. This you have to write one time in homework. Let us solve this question. This is bridge course assignment question number 2. I repeat, please write it one time. Rohan is a smart boy. He got good scores in all the subjects. So what is the pronoun over here? Pronoun is he. Because instead of Rohan, what are we using? He. She is wearing a beautiful dress. What is the pronoun in this sentence? She. Instead of the girl's name, we have used she. The cat is fat. It drinks 1 bowl of milk daily. What is the pronoun in this sentence? It. Because we have used it instead of the cat. Because for animals we use it. Is he going to join us in today's class? So what is the pronoun over here? The pronoun is he. We use he for boys. I hope you remember. So these are the 4 pronouns. This was the answer for question number 2 bridge course assignment. The pronoun in the first sentence is he. The pronoun in the second sentence is she. In the third sentence it is it. And in the fourth sentence he. So these were the 4 pronouns. And today we completed bridge course assignment question number 2. Write it one time and keep watching the videos and attend the Google Meet classes every day whenever the classes are scheduled. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.